What's going on, guys? So yesterday, the guy that painted the car, he came through because just the clear plastic that I have over the car to prevent overspray when the car is being painted at the shop. I kept it on the car, and unfortunately, it started raining here, and most of the plastic got stuck into the paint, so we had to repolish the whole car again. Well, not really the whole car, just the hood and the trunk and some parts here on the side of the car. So it left basically some residue from the wax. It comes off, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car today and remove all that stuff. See, it's just filthy. So I'm pretty happy the way the car turned out. Check that out. So basically, the plastic got stuck all around the edges of the spoiler, kind of like a set like a tattoo on the paint. Um, and I tried to take it off myself, but he said that the car needs to get buffed in order to remove it. So, but everything that you see there is just, the dust from the wax. But car's looking awesome. But for sure, we are gonna keep you guys updated as we go through the process of the car, and and the goal, like I said, has always been to restore these cars. I have a passion for restoring cars, and I had a CRX EF8 right-hand drive full glass top, original from Japan. And when I got that car was a mess. It had a B16 LSD transmission, power folding mirrors, all the options that you can think of on a CRX. And the reason why I sold that one is to invest in this one. This car was crashed. I got a bargain on the car. This car was going to the wreckers yard. They were gonna crush the car. They were gonna remove the hardtop roof. There was a lot of people interested in the roof, so I ended up just basically saving the Supra from being dismantled, and going to the graveyard. So it's been a lot of hours. I know you guys are, consistently asking, what's up with the motor and stuff. And the answer is, everything for this car is getting expensive. So, I do have a full-time job, but this, obviously I don't have no sponsorship or whatnot. So everything that I buy is I have to make sure that my bills are paid first, so I can invest into this project. I want to keep you guys updated as I go through the car. There's a lot of things that I'm gonna change. One of the things is here, one of the rubbers. I'm gonna get that brand new. So I just basically told the guy, go ahead and build the car. Whatever part that I need to change later down the road, I'll change it. I just needed the car painted and fixed. And yeah, here we are, a year and a half later, and the car is looking like a show car now. I am gonna be upgrading the headlights. I'm gonna put the 98 black housing. So these are gonna go up for sale soon. As you see, I already updated the back tail lights to the 98, brand new. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff to this car. And the guy, I'm telling you, man, this guy that painted the car did a very good job in getting this car back to its glory. And I can't wait to get this car on the road. But I just wanted to give you guys an update as to why this car is taking too long to build. I'm not in a show. I'm not in overhauling shows. I'm not in none of those. So it's money is key. And in order for me to finish this car, you know, it takes a lot of effort and money. And like I said, everything is expensive on this car, being that the Mark V is coming out soon. A lot of people are just trying to get a hold of this car right now, and the prices keep going up. And you know, it's just a matter of taking your time and making sure that you don't overpay for prices for parts. And yeah, guys, so I just wanted to give you guys that update. And the next video is going to be revealing the transmission. I'm gonna show you why I'm going with that transmission to begin with. The goal has always been to have this car already on the streets, riding, driving. And as I save up more money and the car's already on the road, stock twin turbos is gonna go on this car, non-VVTi. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So stay tuned, and we're gonna be washing the car now. Car is filthy, and yes, let's go. As you can see, I already washed the car. Look at that shine. So let me put you guys on another time lapse, and I'll show you guys the end result once I do the quick detailer. Shine on this paint now. What a difference. It's like a mirror finish after the quick detailer. Look at that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Hehehe